In this video, I'll show you how to delete notifications on Vinted. Just go ahead over to your notifications right here, and you should see an option to delete your notifications easily. Now, if you're planning to delete all your messages, just click on the message icon right here. All right, let's say, for example, this one right here from Vinted itself. I'm going to click on it and just click on the information section or the information icon right here at the top right. Click on it. And as you can see, you'll be able to see delete conversation button. Just click on it and hit on yes, delete. All right. The website will load. As you can see here, it has now been deleted. Now, alternatively, you can choose not to receive any notifications from Vinted itself. Just go ahead over to your profile right here at the top right, then click on settings. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead over to the left pane and click on notifications. Click on it. As you can see here, you can just turn off or disable email notifications when you toggle this off. Or if you want a more customized notification, turn this back on. And as you can see, you can turn new messages off, new feedback, and discounted items. Or if you ever receive a follower, just go ahead and turn this off if receiving a new follower notification annoys you. All right. You can also set a daily limit for each notification type. All right. Say, for example, you just wanted to have one notification or you wanted to have everything. All right. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.